everybody. We have a 2018 Jeep Wrangler, and today I'm going to show you how to change your side marker light. And I've bought these smoked side markers, and I'm going to show you how to fix that. I did already install it on this side, so you can see I did black this light out, so it gives it a nice even look. Looks great overall. And here's the old one. Here's the one that I'm gonna replace it with. And I got this from Amazon. It's not that expensive, it's around 50 bucks. So let's get started. Alright, so in terms of tools, I have a ratchet here with my 8mm socket. You also need a 10mm socket. And then Torx bit. A T27 bit is what I have here. I've already attached it to the screwdriver right here, so that's gonna be handy. And the easiest way would be if you can find something really thin that can hold your bit, because it's a little tight to get in there. And then we also need to take out some plastic plugs that are in there. So I don't have a pry tool, so I'm just gonna use this flathead to just kind of pry it out there, and then I'm gonna pull it with my pliers. That's all you need. So let's go and get started. So it's really easy. You don't have to remove a bunch of stuff. I did see in a couple videos where they're removing like these rivets here, but you really don't have to remove any of these. What you mainly got to do is remove these two bolts right here. Those are our 8mm bolt. And then if I can show this one to you, that one right there, we have to remove that. That's a 10mm bolt. And then there are 3 plastic plugs right here that hold the fender line together. Let's try to get a good angle. All right, here it is. So here's the first one, and there's our second one, and there's our third one. There's another one here that we gotta remove. So let's get that out. Alright, so we have our fender line out now. As you can see, there are some bolts out here which you can see directly, but what we really want to get is that bolt right there. That's the T27 bolt that we got to remove. And once we get that out, our side marker light is just gonna come out, it's just gonna slide out. And the wire you can see is this one right here. You need a small flathead screwdriver so that you can just remove that or tuck that pin slowly out so you can remove it. So that's what I'm gonna do next before I take this light all the way out. There we go. Now that that's off, I'm gonna loosen my side marker. And you see how you have the slots there, and then make sure you hold down to this bolt because you don't want it to fall down. All right, now I'm just gonna get my new lights and get it rolling. Since the hole in this is not threaded, it's not drilled and tapped, so I took the screw out slowly from there using my set of pliers. So I'm just gonna screw it in there before I actually put it on there so that it's nice and easy. It's back in place. I just put the fender line in.